So you want to upgrade your mic so that you have better videos, but what mic should you get? Well, I'm going to be going through a microphone for around £40 from Fifine, and you can get this on Amazon, and I will put the links in the description below. So that's what I'm going to be going through in today's video. Hi, my name is Jason Kruger, and I help heart-centered businesses build and automate their online marketing systems. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Fifine microphone, which I bought personally off Amazon so that I could test it and show my clients and other viewers why I recommend this microphone. It's not that expensive. It's around £40 on Amazon, but it does sound very good. And I'm going to go through now and unbox it, and we'll go through all those bits and pieces, and then we will test it as well. So here we have the Fifine microphone still in its box. So we're just going to open that up. And we have all the different pamphlets and that we have in here. So you can see that this is the Fifine microphone. And the one that we have is this one here on the left. And we're going to unbox all the bits and pieces. So just under there, we now have the microphone. And we have all the other stuff that comes with it. So this is the little tripod that comes with it. So let's get this out. So you can see this is the little microphone stand that you have for the microphone. You can get other versions on Amazon where they give you the boom arm and all that as well. So if that's what you want and you need that boom arm, then you can go for that one as well. So we'll just put that to the side. And this is the microphone itself. And I must say, it does feel quite weighty. And as you can see, it's not a bad looking microphone. And that just turns around there, so you can then position it. And that's just going to be the volume for the mic, so you can then control that as well. So as you can see, it is just a USB mic. So we're going to put this on its stand. And that just fits in there. And there we go. It's just this microphone and sits nicely on its stand. So now we're going to go through and test this. So I'm currently on my Shure MV7 microphone and it's going through the XLR cable, and I'm going to my Go XLR Mini so that I can control it that way. So this is what this microphone currently sounds like, and I'm now going to swap it out and install the Fifine microphone, and then we can see how that sounds as well. I now have the Fifine microphone plugged in, and we're going to test this now. But as you can see, this is where the Shure microphone is and how close it is to my mouth, and this helps with the sound of the microphone. So we're going to test that as well. So now I'm actually on the Shure microphone, and I have it just under here. As you can see, I've actually got the tripod just on my chest here. So it's just out of shot, but if I bring it closer, you can see how close it is now. It's probably that far from my mouth, and it's going to sound a lot better up here than what it is down here. So when you are looking to position your microphone, the closer to your mouth it is, the better it's going to sound. And that's going to be with any type of microphone. But if you do want it out of shot, just like that, then you can use it that way. But you do have to realize that the sound is going to be different than if you had it close to your mouth. So as you probably can hear, this microphone does sound very good, and I do have it close to my mouth, and that's going to help with that sound. So when you are positioning your mic, make sure that you are putting it in a position where it's going to get the best sound quality. Now, this is why I recommend this microphone, because I can go and adjust it. At the moment, I only have it about a third of the way round on the volume control, and let's move that up. So now you can hear it. I'm now moving it all the way up. So now I'm at full volume here, and I'm peaking on my controls. I can see that, but I'm just going to now move it down so that I can see where the sound should be. And I think around about there. You could even go lower. Now there, I think sounds pretty decent. And again, it just depends on where you're going to put it with your mouth, how close you're going to have it to your mouth. Now, if I had to put it further away from me, so this is now out of the shot, it's resting on the desk, and I could then push the volume up a little bit on it, and it's probably going to sound a lot better than what it did previously when I didn't adjust it. So now bringing it close to my mouth, I've now readjusted it. And when you're setting this mic up, you will have to play around with it. If you don't have recording software that shows you your audio levels, then you might need to then just record a few videos, make sure that you're positioning the mic in the same place all the time, and then adjust the volume until you're happy with the audio sound. Now, this is why I recommend this microphone. It is relatively cheap compared to some of the other names out there, and for around £40 you just can't beat it. Now you can go and get the next package up, which is around £50, and it does then have a kind of windscreen pop filter for it. Or you can then look at the next level, which I think is around £70 at the moment, and that comes with the pop filter, the boom arm, and one or two other little bits and pieces, so that you can then set it up on your desk. And as I have with my Shure microphone here on a boom arm, you can then go and position it wherever you need that to be, and it will always be in that position. So that's what I would recommend. At the moment, I'm just holding this Fifine microphone so that it's close, similar to my Shure microphone. And you know, if you are looking at a microphone, then this is the one that I do recommend. So I will put the links in the description down below so that you can check this out for yourself. If you like this quick review of this microphone, then please look to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell as well, so that you get notified when I next post a video. Now, I will be doing some other videos with this Fifine microphone to show you how you can actually use it with your iPhone as well. So look out for that video. So just remember, you can do it yourself. You might just need a little help. I'll see you on the next one.